Hi guys, this is Matthew again. This is our second strategy for today, 14th of December 2020. Maybe before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boot, here's the boot right here. Here are some of the awesome results, as you can see right here on derived interface, and here are some of the results on binary.com interface. You can see it's December, so just, you know what to do. Just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnology.com.ng to purchase the boat. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, the debit card, and bank transfer. The boat is just 9.99 USD, and the boat is still very active and effective. And here are the links again. To purchase the boat, just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnology.com.ng, and for those who don't have a trading account, just use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test our strategies on demo. Here is the link to subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to subscribe to our 2 channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to both channels for more upcoming. This is our second channel. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube for you to be able to see everything. So let's get back to the trading. As you can see, I've logged in to the trading platform. I'm using the web trader again. So this strategy is for volatility 25 in and out. So I'm going to close this, and once you log into the webtrader.binary.com interface, you go to the trade and you choose the synthetic indices, then you go to volatility 25 index, you click on it, then you change this to in and out, you click on in and out, then you click on goes outside. Once you do that, you set the duration to 2 minutes. You set the high barrier outside to plus 0.873, then the low barrier outside you set it to minus 0.971. You set your payout. So we are going to place the first trade after 30 seconds. So this is our time. For those who don't have this timer as stated earlier in the first strategy, just visit this link right here. This is our forum website link here. Just visit the link, and you go to the binary options thread there. You log in or you register freely. You download the timer freely. We've uploaded it there. Just download it freely. So let's get back to the trading. So our time count is up to 30 seconds now. So let's click on purchase, and you click on view right here. So this is the entry spot. This is the current spot. This is the low barrier. So we are close to the low barrier. We are going up again. We are close to the low barrier. So once this is lower than this, we'll win the trade. 720, 701. You can see we already won that trade right there. Let me explain this to you. These are entry spots. That's 2901.610. This is the exit spot, 2900.510. So 510 here is lower than 639. That's 2900.510 is lower than 2900.639. So we want that trade on the low barrier. We want it on the low barrier. So let's wait for additional 1 minute or so before we click on the before we place the next trade. Let's just wait. So let's go for our next trade now. Let's click on purchase, then let's view. So these are current spots. We are moving close to the low barrier again. This is the entry spots. This is the high barrier. We are close to the low. We are moving close to high as well. 830. You can see we are close to high. We are moving close to high. 901, 900 again. We are close to low. We are moving close to high. 900 again. 901, 331. We are close to the high barrier. We are close to the high barrier. You can see we've already won that trade. So as you can see, these are entry spots. This is the exit spot 2901.667. At this point, the exit spot was higher than the high barrier we set. 667 here is higher than 642. That's 2901.667 is higher than 2901.642. So we want that trade again. So we have to wait for like 1 minute again before we place the next trade. So let's wait. Okay, let's go for the next trade. Let's click on purchase. Now let's view this. So these are entry spot now, 2901.431. This is the current spot now, and this is the exit spot. This is the high barrier we set, and this is the low barrier. 900, 901. We are close to the low barrier. It's moving up again. We are moving close to the low barrier. We are close. It's up again. Okay, we are moving close to high barrier now. We are close to the low barrier again. Okay, you can see we won that trade again. Just within few seconds we won the trade. So these are entry spots, 2901.431. This is the exit spots, 2900.365. This is the low barrier, so 365 right here is lower than 460. So we won that trade on the low barrier. So let's place one more trade before we proceed to the next strategy. Let's wait for like 1 minute again. Let's go for our last trade. Let's view the. So these are entry spots, 2899.578. This is the current spot, 899. So we are close to the low barrier. This is the high barrier, 2899. We are moving close to the high barrier now. We are close to high barrier. Moving down again. I'm heading to the high. Okay, we're moving towards the high barrier. You can see we've already won that trade. As you can see, these are exit spots. That's 2900 or 699. Then this is a high barrier we set. So this one you can see is higher than this, so it went outside. It's higher than this. So you can see all the strategies are 100%. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. And for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER votes, just visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnology.com.ng to purchase the vote. Thanks for watching. Bye.